An ancient Indian supported sun salutation, now available on demand at theguestbungalow.com.
A sun salutation is one of the most beautiful ways to start each and every day. I personally practice an ancient Indian sun salutation that's very different from what you might find in the community. In the community, morning sun salutations tend to be more about the flow, anticipating the next pose, and perhaps even running through the sequence 108 times. The offering that I have is more about arriving to the pose and being there completely with every molecule within your being. It is more gentle, a deeper stretch, a slower flow, and the offering is at least provided with one sequence, but most often two. You have the space and the time in your morning completing the entire offering, the two sequences. It's perfect. I had a special request to take my ancient Indian sun salutation to a supported offering, and I really enjoyed the request. It allowed me to meditate and contemplate on what that offering would look like. We did have to move off of the chair and use the support of the wall as well to get a child pose-like experience and a baby cobra pose-like experience, but it worked out really well. And I'm very appreciative of the member of the guest bungalow who sent in her request. It's wonderful to hear from the community and to be able to deliver to their needs. So, if you're interested in revolutionizing the start to each and every one of your days by initiating a sun salutation, make your way on over to the guest bungalow. We now have two offerings. The traditional ancient Indian sun salutation, which can be found in the Yoga Nidra room, and then now a supported offering available in the chair yoga room. Wishing you a beautiful rest of the day. May the sun always be shining on you. May you always feel its warmth and its balance, and express gratitude for the blessings of the new day. Namaste.
Don't forget to stretch. Visit the guest bungalow today. We're open 24/7 to help you unearth grace.